All right, I have to address this. This is like a question that's being asked over and over and over and over again. And I feel like a broken record. I wish people would just kind of go through the oil videos and just start soaking them in and just watching them. Is Valvoline Restore and Protect better for a vehicle with high mileage? No, not necessarily. And does it need to be ran several oil changes? Is it like an engine flush oil? Yes, it clearly states on the bottle. If you were to Google Valvoline Restore and Protect and read the back of the bottle, or actually go online and look up the Motor Oil Geek or watch any of my other videos where I've extensively explained this stuff, Valvoline claims that you basically have brand new clean pistons after 4 oil changes. They don't specify what mileage per oil changes. So I'm going 4 oil changes at 5,000 miles. I'm on my 4th oil change right now. Valvoline Restore and Protect doesn't replace anything. It's a good oil. You can continually run it on its own. Yes, it does slowly clean the inside of the engine, is what the manufacturer claims. The Motor Oil Geek went out to the facility and they showed the testing process and the types of pistons and stuff that they used at the time and how they ran the oil and stuff like that. So make sure you're doing your homework. Don't just come to me for information. And it doesn't replace anything. It's not better than X, Y, or Z. It's not better than this, or it's not better than that. I don't know how else to really explain it other than to tell you guys it's just a good oil, and its properties or its purpose is cleaning. If you have a meticulously maintained engine and you know it's not all varnished and scaled up and sludged up and coked up, and you've been doing your due diligence and taking care of it, then you don't need to run Restore and Protect. Restore and Protect is to restore and protect. It's to restore piston rings that are locked up. It's to restore the inside of an engine, and it's to protect it. So it does both. You can run it long term. You don't have to switch. It doesn't mean that it's better than high mileage oil. High mileage oil typically has a little bit more ester in it to help condition the seals and stuff, but even high mileage oil, there's really nothing that special about it other than it does have a little bit of an edge with that extra ester in it that helps condition the seals. It's not better than Pennzoil. Pennzoil is not better than it. It's whatever you want to run that makes sense. Now, Pennzoil has a better form of moly than Valvoline does. Pennzoil has an Infinium moly, which is the best form of moly that you can use right now. Valvoline still uses the MOS2 formula, just like Liquid Moly and everybody else, other than Toyota. Toyota still has the original form of moly, which they have to jack up the moly so high in regular Toyota oil that it's 600, 700, 800 parts per million because they're still using the original form of moly. So there's some nuances between them all. One is not better than the other, and they all have their purpose. It just all depends on the application and what you want to use it for.